I don't even know. Show us what we could do. So wait, the car is right there. That's the car. Okay.
All right, let's try it.
Oh my god. Of course.
You ready? Mm-hmm. Come to me.
What is that car doing? Oh my god. Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
Let's see what happens
That's
here.
the Tesla.
This ought to be good.
Oh my god, what if it just like crashes
This ought to be good.
Oh my god.
God, there's another car behind
There's like
it, too.
everything going on and the car has not
Oh my god.
So there's the Tesla. Oh my god. These people. Oh. Where is it going? My dad is not driving. He's right there. Where? People think. Is it gonna come or is it just gonna stay in the middle of the road? Oh my god, Dad. It's just in the middle of the road. This is bad. This is bad. I can't keep this. I can't keep this in. Oh, there we go, Dad. Yeah. Dad, we gotta go. We gotta go. That was a fail. Dad, what was that? It was so bad. All these people are looking at us because this car's been in the middle of the road. Look at this guy waiting.
That causing a commotion.
Literally, this car is just in the middle of every. We'll take. Nope. Go. I'm put my seatbelt on. You never know. Watch it like drive home. Okay, so this is gonna be proof that nobody's driving the car. Oh, there goes my dad running away. Oh, okay. Oh. Where's it going? Where's it going? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is it doing? Oh my god. Where? Oh. This thing is a terrible driver. Why would it go straight? Oh. Oh my god. This is awful. My dad. Dude, literally. What? Oh, there's lightning. Oh, what? I had to let this guy go. Oh, is it just stopping? Oh, it's going, Don't worry. Look at us, my dad. Oh.